Welcome back to my tutorial class. Please stay connected. We want to teach you how to rank your YouTube videos with Tubebuddy. This will help your channels to grow, to help your videos to grow fast. So what's the first thing you have to do? You have to download Tubebuddy from Play Store and sign up your YouTube account there. So after signing up, you will see something like this. Your videos will be shown on the screen. So you tap on the video one by one. Like I'm having most of my videos are not ranking, so I have to, since I've made a research how to rank the video, and it is helping. Trust me, it will help you. So what's the first thing? If I open the video, if I click on the video, it will now open. This app will help you, will tell you whether your video is doing good or not, and it will help you, teach you, give you the ideas how you make your video to rank on YouTube. So you click on tags. These are my tags. So out of these tags, I'm having about 2 tags that are ranking, that is giving the video views. So this one is ranking 3, this one is ranking 3. So which means, what's the next thing I have to do? I have to add more tags that are related to these ones that are ranking. How to check HSK results. So down, I need to add more tags. Then you click on edit tag. Then add. How to check HSK1. The other one was how to check HSK4. I'll click on save. I'll add another one. Let me change it to 2. Stay connected. Don't go out. Trust me, this video will help you grow your channel. Please consider to subscribe to our channel. Okay, it's okay. Okay, we are done. We are done. Let me just, okay. We are done. Consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So what's the next thing? The next thing, I'll go back. Okay, I have to check. Then you go back. Trust me, in the next 24 hours, you will see the changes in the video. Then let's go to another one. Let me show you another style. Okay. The first one now. This one is having 5 views. So the video is not doing well. So what do I need to do? I will need to go to tag. Okay. I don't know whether. Okay, how to turn TikTok gift into coin. So the first one, you click on suggest. This app will suggest related tags that you need to upload and that you need to add to your video that will make this particular video to rank. So you just copy it, click on copy, tap on the video. Okay, I have a C to my, okay, out of 500 characters, it has exceeded to 595, so I don't need to add tags again. So for you now, you have to click on it, click on the video, it will now copy to the video. Then another one. Okay, let's go to another video. The one that doesn't have much tags. Okay, let's check on this one. Okay, you click on suggest. They will now suggest related tags that fit to the video. These ones are there, so I'll click on. Okay, also let me remove it will now copy to the video. You go back. Then another way is to, okay, let's go to another video because that one is so completed. Okay, how to connect your website link to TikTok bio. So these ones now are my tags. So if I want to rank the video, so I need to click on tags, click on explore, then type how to connect your website link to your TikTok bio. Search. So this app will show you related. Okay, see this one, add a link to your TikTok profile. You go click on here, mark it good, copy tags to the video. Okay, here it have crossed to 543, so I need to remove some. How to connect how to connect your website to your TikTok. Okay, let me remove this one. Check again. It has copied. Trust me, in the next 12 hours, you will see the changes in this video. You see the changes on the video. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Don't fail to turn on the notification button for more videos.